So today in my mason jar hoarding capacity again, I was at the thrift shop and I found these 1.5 quart size jars, 8 of them, complete with lids and rings, and snapped them up, and I paid $6.30 for 8 of them. And just to show you what the difference is, this would be the regular size, and you can see that there is a fair difference in size between one and the other. So this one is 1.5 and this is a 1 liter jar. So awesome, great for storage. I will be packing them full of beans and rice. I believe I have a bag of beans that will probably use half of them, maybe a little more than half. So that was definitely worth buying. I picked up 3 of these half-pint wide-mouth jars for $2.35, I believe it was. Yes, $2.35. So for 6, 7, 8, less than $9, I have 8 quart-and-a-half jars and 3 little half pint jars, and they're all wide mouth, which is wonderful. I prefer the wide mouths, so that, especially in the larger jars, so that I can get my hands in them to wash them if I need to. I'd like to be able to scrub them, the insides, myself sometimes. Anyway, that's it for the thrift store haul for today. I've also today done a reassessment and cleanup of my pantry so that I know where everything is and what is there. I have rarely canned any meats other than chili. I think I've made stew once, so I'm thinking that perhaps I will attempt to can up some chicken just to have meat in the pantry. I do have quite a number of cans of tuna that I purchased, but that may not be enough. So yes, everything's tidy. I know what's there, and I know what I probably should be looking at adding. So it's a good start. So today I've put my new mason jars to good use. I have dry canned 4 cans of red kidney beans, 3 of rice, and 1 of white bean. Still have lots of putting a lot of dry stuff in storage. In this day and age, it would appear as though you never know if you're going to be quarantined for a couple of weeks, so it would be a very good idea to have a couple of weeks worth of food in the house, and rice and beans are always a staple. I'm sure I've got more than enough to last us 2-3 months, but these mason jars certainly came in handy. Anyway, that's it for now, and thank you for watching.